Thank you for stopping by. Today I'll show you how I made this quick, easy and delicious spinach sauce that you can pair with rice, yam, potatoes, plantain and even pasta. It is so versatile. My name is Evelyn. Welcome to my channel. Please don't go anywhere. Let me show you how I made this. So to begin, you pour in some cooking oil into a pan, and once that is hot but not too hot, you're going to add some chopped onions, minced garlic and ginger. Stir and let it fry for a few minutes until the onions are soft and translucent. Now if you're coming across my channel for the first time, a very warm welcome to you. Thank you for clicking to watch this video. Please, before you leave, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. I'd love to have you here. Now back to our cooking. I've just added some tomato paste and I'll stir and fry this for about 3 to 4 minutes or until the tomato paste has changed into a dark red color. Next, pour in your blended tomato and pepper mix, and this is just a combination of tomatoes, peppers and onions. You are going to allow this cook slowly while stirring occasionally until the raw taste from the tomatoes disappears and the oil begins to rise to the surface. Now the cooking time may vary depending on the amount of your tomato and pepper mixture or the amount of water you added to your mixture. You also have to be patient with this step because it ensures the sauce develops a deep and rich flavor, and that is what we want. Also remember that the list of all the ingredients I used for this recipe will be listed in the description box, so you can check that out much later just in case you want to replicate this recipe. And now that the water has evaporated and the oil has settled on top, you're going to stir and you season this with some crayfish powder, chicken bouillon and some salt to taste. You don't need to do too much for this recipe to bang. Next, you're going to stir gently and let everything simmer for a few minutes so that the flavors marry together beautifully. Then you're going to add your meat stock. I'm using chicken stock for this recipe, and then stir, cover and let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. So for this recipe, you can also use some palm oil if that is what you prefer, but I decided to use some vegetable oil because I wanted to pair it with rice and plantain. Now this has been cooking on medium heat for a couple of minutes. Make sure to cook this on medium heat, especially if the amount of tomatoes you used is really small or is not much like this. Make sure you cook it on medium heat and stir occasionally so that it doesn't get burnt. Now after you've stirred, we're going to be adding some roughly chopped spinach. Once you add your spinach, you're going to cover and let this steam for about a minute. Then you'll stir, making sure that all the leaves are coated in the sauce. And also remember, spinach cooks very quickly and we want them to stay fresh and vibrant even while they are soaking up all the flavors from the sauce. So the spinach has been cooking on very low heat for about a minute. Then using my spoon, I'm going to gently stir this together so that everything combines beautifully and the spinach soaks up all the flavors from the sauce. Once everything is nicely combined, I'm going to be adding my protein, and for this recipe I'm using some air fried chicken. You can use any protein that you have. You can use beef, you can use fish. Once you add your protein, you're going to stir gently so that every piece is coated in the delicious sauce. And once you're done, you're going to cover for about a minute, and after that your spinach sauce will be ready to be served. So guys, this was so good. You can serve it with rice, boiled yam or plantain. It is so versatile, it is so nourishing and absolutely delicious. So go ahead and make this sauce and I promise you're going to love it. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you're going to give it a try, and if you do, let me know how yours turned out in the comment section. Please leave me a like and also subscribe to my channel. Share the video to your family and friends. Thanks again for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.